So I haven't seen my friends in over a month.
Oh my god, you big baby! I miss you. That's how he's gonna be right now.
Nah.
They're happy. He said,
Hey,
"Hey."
tell me they weren't happy too.
Yeah, I was talking about them.
Oh, them?
Yeah,
I haven't seen them in
they
a
was
while.
cheesing ear to ear.
We live kind of far now, so it's hard, but I miss the boys, man. So let's go say hi to the boys.
Okay. All of a sudden, he missed you too much. He couldn't stay away.
I miss you, Pa. I miss you, Pa. Wait for the next guy. This guy doesn't have a heart.
Oh, he's good. Run to him. And...
So we came to work today.
Wear your work clothes.
What we're doing today, boys?
Problem solved.
Oh, you already fixed it?
Wow, we drove an hour and a half for nothing.
Wow, you guys can't even visit? What the fuck?
I came to work.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, man.
That's safe.
Are we doing our wrap after this?
I think so.
Alright, okay.
Nah, no Ryobi over here.
None of that home shit.
No more dual motor.
How does the soft sponge do that? I'm just trying to know because I'm trying to start my own business.
I hear you.
Están listos para ver qué tan rápido llega de 0 a 60.
Ah, Jesus.
¿Están listos? ¿Listos? Okay, ready? I got nothing. Ready? Okay guys, so we mentioned wanting a Blackstone Griddle, and of course Costco's been out of stock. So today they only have 6 of them. So I'm here at Costco. We're gonna go inside and hope they have it there because it is kind of late. Fingers crossed. There's literally only 3 left, so I'll take one please. Okay, so I just asked the guy, he's gonna go get a flatbed so he can load this up for me. There she is. How am I supposed to get this on truck? It's 147 pounds. I don't know if I'll be able to carry this myself, but I'm just a girl. So he's finally home from work and he's gonna help me unload my new purchase. So
Just from the truck account?
yeah. So stay right there.
We're already in the red.
Alright. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Now do the veggie dance. Now do the
Bro, you didn't get 25k likes and then bro, what is this? Bro.
I have some yummy meals.
Oh. When?
Oh, we're gonna have some breakfast on the weekend.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm sorry for this noise. They keep it down! Dang. How much was this?
$434.50.
Oh.
Now help me put it down.
Okay.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my gosh. All I need now is the chicken coop. I'm gonna go get chickens and I'm gonna surprise you with chickens. What do you think about that?
I'm gonna take them to Chick-fil-A.
Stay tuned for our first breakfast meal on the Blackstone Griddle. Brought to you by Ricardo Salas.
Bro, yo, how we get the link card?
I don't know, I tried already. Today is the day of the unboxing.
I think we have everything we needed. Damn, this is so fucking loud today.
I started as soon as you started talking.
I never realized how expensive propane tanks were. It's literally like $100 on the drain. We have a cleaner for her. We have a season because apparently it needs to be seasoned. I'm really happy we managed to get it through Costco. 1, came with a cover. I don't have to pay another $40.
I think it's more than 40 bucks.
More? And then 2, I could blow this up and get a new one.
Ay.
We just know there's really good warranty behind it. We don't plan to fuck it up, but
In case it burned too much and I can't recover it, then well, it's a drain.
we're planning on using it today. We'll see if we make it Thursday or if we get Chick-fil-A, but you'll see. Oh shit. Thought this shit was gonna be built already. Damn, man. Yeah, I don't know.
Que te limpies el culo. After all that work I just did, finally finished. Woo. Let's get some Chick-fil-A.
Bro, what the fuck is this? Your skin looks really clear. Stop eating my fries!
That one's mine!
That's what I'm talking about. You paid for the pay-per-view, no?
No, this is stream.
Hey!
No steak. I need this. This is what we're here for. But I need this kit. Look. Exercise.
We're at Lowe's. $500. Save some schmeckles. So we're picking up Blackstone cleaning stuff because apparently we have to season it. This is all brand new to us. So if you guys have any input, let us know.
So should I get this? But the seasoning thingy only has a smaller one than this.
Man, can't even grill for fun no more, bro. And it's not even full. Bro, and then you gotta pay to get it filled up. What the fuck is this? Because next grill didn't cut it.
Wait, I think I see it.
Like, when the fuck is it gonna end, man? Oh my. I don't think you want to know. So we're currently in Wisconsin visiting my cousins. Yay! We're just bike riding, but yeah, we're just enjoying the vibes. Whoa. I think we're gonna continue. Can never sleep in.
Wakey, wakey. Go, kids. Wake them up.
Oh! Pick me. Early morning.
Make your bed, guys. You have to, brother.
You wanna go see your girlfriend?
No, he doesn't have one.
Milo got a girlfriend at the dog park. Mother's not liking it.
No. No, this is not going to work, honey bunch. You tell that little girl. You can't see her no more.
What the fuck? Gotta go get rid of you, and then the other security guard. We gotta get you tired because it is date night. We are ready for date night.
What? It's not a date. Just kidding.
She's not. No, it's not a date.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's okay.
Yes, it is.
We're gonna go ahead and watch Despicable Me number 100 and whatever.
I think 4.
We watch every single one of them, and it's like her like
It's
alter
so
ego.
funny. It's so funny here. Am I the only one that finds it funny?
It's hilarious. We're gonna go to the movies and enjoy that. Hopefully it's good, and then
I hope they have the cup and the popcorn thingy.
hope they don't. It's just not the movies. Fucking ripoff. The hell? Only when Riri sends it. Excuse me, this isn't the movies.
Oh my.
This isn't the movies. This is the movies.
They brought me to the one that doesn't have the minions.
Oh, get the fuck out of here. Sit the fuck down.
Can we go to the other ones?
Yes. This one did it.
Okay guys, we just did groceries and we got chicken thighs. We got this for the dogs' kennels. Well, we were gonna get breakfast for my parents, but I just said like we should just make it instead because that's what we got the Blackstone Griddle for. Gotta put it to work, and it was so good in my opinion.
We've used that thing 3 times this week.
Yeah, we sure have. I don't think it's the griddle. I think it's the shack.
I just put that big ass mat that we got from Costco under the guys area. It looks much better. Whatever this is not working out. I know Chelsea wanted to put epoxy, but we're not going to be here forever, so we're not going to waste too much money and time on this. This carpet does the job. And so, yeah, we'll see what Chelsea thinks when she gets home.
Wow, so smart.
Man, at this point, I'm just going to drop you off at the United Center.
Honestly, do they kick them out?
Nah, you got a permit and everything.
And this one can make a dozen of them.
Damn. Yeah, we're low on schmeckles right now, so I think that's the move. Is there Wrigley or something? We're dropping you off. You gotta get to work.
Alright.
You're clocking out?
Lunch break.
All right now. So I said, I didn't have so much high expectations because it was on the griddle.
How about now? Cause I'm up right now.
So good.
And you suck right now.
Where you going with that thing? Hey, somebody farted. Somebody farted. Not the nose in there. Oh, yep. How much for that?
$10.
$10. Oh.
The frick?
You don't care
Tastes
what it is.
so-
You just want to eat it.
No cheese, because this wasn't expected.
Nope. We'll get it next time.
Sucker!
What's her problem? Getting ready for the gym, huh? What the hell?
My pre-workout.
Oh no. Whatever, man.
I'm tired already.
Oh my god. This was supposed to be like a pre-workout walk-in and you're saying this?
I want to eat my Funyuns.
This is how they try to get you. Look at that. Not today. God. Good eats every day, all day, every day. I don't regret this thing one bit. At this point of this video, you've already seen us use this probably like 4 times. Oh man, it smells so good. If only you could smell it. Mmm. Wow. Prepping the what? The fuck? Prepping the fruits and all that for the week. So that brings us to the end of the video. We finally got the Blackstone, as you've seen. We kind of like put it all over the place in random different cuts because we were like using it at random different times. We need to make the short form content for that, so Chelsea can like be on Iron Chef or Master Chef or something. That'd be cool. But you would cry if they tell you you're eliminated.
I wouldn't cry.
You would get mad.
Yeah.
Anything to say? Anything to add?
I don't know what's in this video because I forgot already, but it's been like 2 weeks of recording, that's why, right?
Yeah, like on and off, because there really hasn't been like a main topic or like videos like structured, or it's just been randomness. If there's anything you guys want to see on the Blackstone, let us know. If there's any video ideas you want to see us do, let us know. At this specific time of recording, there's a Hello Kitty giveaway, so if you're into that like Chelsea is, you should probably check our Instagram because we have one this upcoming weekend. So if you're watching this now, you still have time to enter. If you're watching this, like 2-3 weeks or 3 years later, you clip. Thank you guys for the continued support. We appreciate it. Again, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next video.